can't take it. My heart is racing, emotions keep spilling out. I've been spending all my time just thinking about you. I don't know what to do, I think I'm falling for you. I've been waiting all my life and now I found it. I don't know what to do, I think I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. I think I'm falling for you. I can't stop thinking about it, I want you all around me, and now I just can't hide it. I think I'm falling.
Receba esta aliança em sinal do meu amor e da minha fidelidade.
Receba essa aliança em sinal do meu amor e da minha fidelidade.
It's complicated, it always is. That's just the way it goes. Feels like I waited so long for this. I wonder if it shows. Head underwater, now I can't breathe. It never felt so good. 'Cause I can feel it coming over me. I wouldn't stop it if I could. Will love takes over? Yeah. You know you can't deny. Will love takes over? Yeah. 'Cause something's here tonight. Give me a reason, I gotta know. Do you feel it too? Can't you see me here on overload? And this time I blame you. Looking out for you to hold my hand. It feels like I could fall. Now love me right, like I know you can. We could lose it all, but love takes over. Yeah, you know you can't deny. When love takes over, something's here tonight, 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 I'll be loving you all the time. It's true, 'cause I wanna make it right with you. When love takes over, 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 over. When love takes over. takes over.